Have y'all seen that Barbie makeup trend that's going around on TikTok? Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Chandra ICCI. I wanted to create a Barbie inspired look for my YouTube channel. I didn't want to go the pink Barbie route, so I wanted to go like the black Barbie vibe route. So this is what's going to be in the video, a full makeup tutorial inspired by the viral Barbie makeup look. So if you are interested, go ahead and keep watching and let's get into the video.
I ain't got a spot for that. No, shit too hot. It's too hot for that. I kid you not. It's too hot for that. Funk flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. Falling back in where I left off. Moved a little weight that I kept off. Took a little cake that I crept off. Took it to the face, it was Kim dog. I never lost, you take L's like a llama. I'm not supporting or acting in dramas. It's about action, reaction, and karma. How do you act when it's folding in on you? Think about it. Funny thing about the bottom is crowded. Funny thing about the top, I found it. Funny thing, I didn't see you niggas run it. Hot shit, only too hot. Reading Machiavelli like I'm Tupac. Screaming thug life like they knew Pac. They get tuned up like a new clock. It's too hot for that. It's too hot. I ain't got a spot for that. No. Shit too hot. It's too hot for that. I kid you not. It's too hot for that. Funk flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. It's too hot for that. It's too hot. I ain't got a spot for that. No. Shit too hot. It's too hot for that. I kid you not. It's too hot for that. Funk flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. Yo, roses are red, violets and olives are closing. Cause all of my rhyming is frozen. All of this time in the moment is timeless. Indica potent, I'm napping. Fold the beat up like a napkin and go and re-up like I'm trapping. Alex Ovechkin, they capping. All in my face like they don't know what happened. I give them that euro cause I've been a maverick. It's too hot for that. It's too hot. I ain't got a spot for that. No. Shit too hot. It's too hot for that. I kid you not. It's too hot for that. Funk flex, go ahead and make a drop for that. Falling back in where I left off. Moved a little weight that I kept off. Took a little cake that I crept off. Took it to the face, it was Kim dog. I never lost, you take L's like a llama. I'm not supporting or acting in dramas. It's about action, reaction, and karma. How do you act when it's folding in on you? Think about it. Funny thing about the bottom is crowded. Funny thing about the top, I found it. Funny thing, I didn't see you niggas run it. Hot shit, only too hot. Reading Machiavelli like I'm Tupac. Screaming thug life like they knew Pac. They get tuned up like a new clock. It's too hot for that. It's too hot.